Sorry.
We've got rain out there for the weekend, and unfortunately for Mother's Day, it's going to be a pretty soggy setup, especially by Saturday night and into Sunday. So get ready. We've got a max track. Really not that soggy at all. You've really got to go looking for the returns. They're there. We've had a few spotty showers and sprinkles out east, and we've got a little more activity as you head into northern Kentucky. Up around Harrison County, Cynthiana, back through, Woodford County, Anderson County. Down south, not really a whole lot happening. Map in motion shows it moving, so this is pretty low-end coverage for us. There's heavier rain northeast. Of course, Houston still getting swamped. They've got record flooding, historic flooding down there from torrential rain, and this torrential rain is going to continue to be a factor this weekend. Severe weather shouldn't, though. Marginal risk for severe weather towards D.C., down south tomorrow. There is a slight risk by Mother's Day across the Carolinas, parts of central Georgia, and out through Raleigh. But look at this. Rainfall has been really light overnight. We haven't really seen much. And precipitation-wise, as we go through the day today, not a whole lot going on beyond these sprinkles and showers. Mainly this morning, you may get lucky and see some cloud breaks. But first wave, will be multiple waves of rain this weekend, starts to crank up overnight. This is going to be a little impulse that throws some showers mainly into our southeastern counties. And the good news about this, if there's any to be had, a lot of it will be overnight. That's 11 o'clock going early tomorrow morning. It's already diminishing tomorrow morning, and into Saturday, the morning and early afternoon, we'll have a decent break, I'm thinking, before the next wave gets going. This one is where we get into the heavy rain threat. Torrential rainfall possible Saturday night into Sunday morning. So with this, the bulk of the rain, second wave could go through overnight as well, which is good in a way, but bad because it's still there. And then it should gradually wind down through the day of Mother's Day, but we'll still have showers hanging around. And we've got this stalled front and a wave of low pressure running this boundary. So what ends up happening is you've got a swath of heavy rain running all the way from Houston to D.C. going into the weekend. This is through Sunday. And if you look at the legend here, we're talking about pockets of maybe an inch or two of rain here, the highest amount southeast this weekend, the grand total, but upwards of 3-4 inches, maybe a half a foot of rain in spots down south. So torrential rain, flooding, flash flooding. Could become a concern, especially across the southeastern U.S. for this upcoming Mother's Day weekend. 65 at Bluegrass Airport. This clearly is Frankfort. There's the Capitol building, overcast skies up in Franklin County. Winds are out of the southwest. Temperatures are in the 60s, and it is cooling down this weekend. It's not going to be a major drop, but we'll go from around 70 today. Remember, we were in the mid-80s earlier this week to the low 60s by Sunday. So, yeah, we're running well below our average high by the end of the weekend. We're holding steady at medium-high levels for pollen. If you're an allergy sufferer, we're now into hickory, mulberry, and grass pollen as far as your offenders go. And for today, we'll keep a low-end chance for a few showers and sprinkles around highs around 70. Our southeastern counties running a little warmer. We may see a range of upwards of mid to upper 70s for highs. 60s to maybe 70s if you get a sunny break in the early afternoon Saturday. But remember, we'll be between rounds of rain, and that rain could get heavy. Saturday night, Sunday morning, some rumbles of thunder. If you're taking mom out, especially after breakfast, keep her dry. And into Monday, Tuesday, we're going to finally dry things out. We may be able to string together a 2, maybe 3-day run without a whole lot of precipitation. So fingers crossed we can keep that going.